Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem an audio promo code. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you need to do is open up any web browser, go to Google and then type in Audible code redeem, click search, and then you'll be brought to a list of the search results, and then click on the one from help.audible.com, use a promo code. And now wait for this page to load. Once it loads, it's going to show you exactly how to use this promo code, but I'll do this a lot quicker than what they can do. So if we scroll down a little bit, it will say redeem a voucher. So under here it says redeem via promotion redemption page. So if you received an audio promotion code, you can redeem it on the audio promotion redemption page. So click onto that link, and now that will send you to this page, and then click on this box here and paste your code and click on redeem.